There is a wide choice of rotary tablet presses for tablet pressing from powder or granular materials in our catalog. We have the most reliable and modern laboratory tablet presses for tablet production. Tablet machines and tablet equipment are made according to GMP standards. Mechanical and hydraulic presses, bench presses for laboratories, and industrial ones for pharmaceutical factories. We help our clients. We try to understand the client's task as clearly as possible, then start working to minimize the risks of buying equipment that will be non-operational. Our task is to give an option of the equipment that will solve the client's problems. Roman discourages up to 60% of the customers from the purchase of equipment they have chosen themselves. This indicates the presence of hidden problems and lack of understanding of process and technologies by our clients.